how do you use Pinterest to grow your online business page views and sales. In today's video and in every video of the series that I'm starting of Pinterest for beginners on my channel, you'll be able to learn how to get more page views with Pinterest, how to get more sales from Pinterest, and generally how to promote your online business no matter what it is with Pinterest and Tailwind. Hi everyone, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about social media marketing for business and how to grow your online business with unique social media strategies. So if you're interested in these topics, make sure to subscribe and press the bell to be notified when I upload. So as I said, I'm starting a Pinterest series on my channel for beginners, and in the first lesson, which is today's lesson, we're going to learn about how to define your business, to be aware of what you're doing as a business that will help you promote it on Pinterest a lot better, who is your target audience, and how to define that audience in order to promote the right pins to them, how to brand your business and Pinterest account with a mood board, and also setting goals, because setting goals is very important if you want to succeed. It helps you get things done. A video of this series will go up on my channel every single Monday, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell to be notified when that goes live. I'm going to be creating a playlist with all the lessons in this series, so if you want to check out all the other lessons that are in this series right now, posted, make sure to click the link below. So let's begin. For this course, I'm going to be using my Pinterest workbook, which is the ultimate Pinterest growth workbook that I'm selling in my shop. You can get it at the link below. The reason why I'm using this workbook is because it helps me stay very organized with my clients' work, in general with my Pinterest growth. It has growth trackers, it has a daily checklist that you can use, and we're gonna go through this workbook step by step as we go through the lessons of this series. If you want to get the workbook now, 20% off, which is a special discount code I created especially for you watching this Pinterest series and learning about Pinterest for beginners or advanced, you can use code MINISERIES at checkout for 20% off. So in today's video, we're going to be using the first chapter of the workbook, which is business information and defining your goals. So the first thing you need to do once you get the workbook and once you want to get started working on your Pinterest business account is obviously turn your Pinterest account into a business one. And the next thing that I want you to do is go in the workbook and write all your information like business name, all your handles, your username that you want to use, and all of that. After that, I want you to take a step back and realize what your business is about. Do you have a set definition for your business? What do you do? Who do you want to help? What are your products for? If you already know all these things, make sure to write them down in the workbook. If you don't, take a little time and reflect on your business and what it is about, because that will help you promote it with Pinterest so much better. Next, I want you to go to the next step and define your target audience. You cannot sell everything to everyone, so make sure to define a target audience that is niched down and that describes your ideal client for your product selling business or services selling business. Once you have defined your business and your target audience, I want you to go ahead and create a mood board for your business. A mood board represents a reference that you can go to brand your business, to keep your business branded with logos, colors, fonts, style of photography. It helps you have a point of reference for your business and how it will be recognized in the future. Creating a mood board for your Pinterest account would also help you to stay consistent when creating pin graphics for your business. People will recognize that it is you through the pin graphics that you create, so it is very important to have a consistent aesthetic of your pin graphics and Pinterest profile from the beginning. So if you don't know how to create a mood board, I suggest watching this video right here, in which I talk about branding your business a lot, and you can get my free branding mood board template in the link below that we're gonna use right now to create a mood board. Now, throughout this series, I will be using my Etsy shop as an example of how you can grow your sales and how you can grow your business with Pinterest. So I'm going to go ahead and make a mood board for my Etsy shop, and in the same time, I want you to download the template and do the same for your business. Now that you've done all that, it is time to determine your goals. What is the reason you are using Pinterest for your business, and how do you want Pinterest to grow your business? So for that, I will ask you to go to the next page of the workbook and write down here, I am using Pinterest because I want to So write down, what do you want Pinterest to do for your business? Grow your sales, make you more clients, make you more digital product sales. Just write down exactly what you want to do with Pinterest, because this will help you use it strategically. The next thing that I want you to do is go on the bottom of the page and see the checklist that I have there. It is about how many followers your account has, how many monthly viewers, how many page views you ever got from Pinterest, and this is a statistic you can find on your website. So I want you to go ahead to your Pinterest account and see the statistics that are up now on your profile and check the ones that are there. So I'm going to do the exact same thing right now. Now the next thing that I want you to do is go back on the top of the page, and you will see there that you have to define some of your goals that you want for yourself. So they're not included in the checklist. So you can write something like, by the end of December 2020, I want to reach 5,000 followers. So you can write, by the end of January 2021, I want to make my first 5 sales with Pinterest, or publish 60 pins, 60 unique pins with Pinterest. Write a few goals there and leave some spaces open for when you want to write more goals later. Another thing that I want you to do is go at the end of the workbook where you will find my growth tracker. In the growth tracker, I want you to write the day that you're starting to use the workbook and starting to grow your Pinterest account, and then write your followers, your monthly viewers, your impressions, total audience, engagements, saves, how many saves you got from Pinterest. Even if it's 0, write it down, because I want you to write it down every single week in this growth tracker so you can see your growth, and that will motivate you a lot more to keep on going and promoting your business with Pinterest. I want you to do that every single week, and I want you to see how big of an impact Pinterest can have on your business used right. If you use it at least for 3 months, that's when you will start seeing real results. So that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has been helpful and has taught you a little bit about Pinterest. In next Monday's lesson, we're going to learn about account SEO, how to optimize your Pinterest account for search engine optimization, how to write a title that is SEO optimized on your profile, a description for your profile, what profile picture to add, what cover photo to add, and we're also going to talk about how to claim your website, how to enable reach pins, and all those things that will help you set up your Pinterest account. Don't forget, you can get my workbook at a discounted price by using code miniseries for 20% off. So click the link in the description and get the workbook. I promise it will help you stay a lot more organized with your Pinterest growth, and it will just give you a space to keep it all together. But it will also give you the strategies that you need to use every single day that we're gonna use later in this series to grow your Pinterest account and make more sales. So if you want to be notified when the next part of this series comes up, make sure to subscribe and press the bell to be notified. You can also follow me on Instagram for insights in my business, income reports, and stuff that I don't usually share on my YouTube channel, behind the scenes type. So it is basically just unique content that I create especially for Instagram, as I want to get to know you guys better and let you in of a few secrets in my business, how much I earn, what I do, how I work with clients, and all that. So make sure to follow me on there if you want to find out. So that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video.